Apple is apparently researching a retractable keyboard to create an even thinner MacBook Pro in the future. This is significant because Apple obviously has had issues trying to get their keyboard and their units as thin as possible. They had the butterfly fiasco, as I like to call it, the butterfly effect.
Really? Is that what you call it?
That just popped into my head right there in that moment. I don't even think I saw that movie. Was that Ashton Kutcher?
Yes.
Butterfly effect?
It's a
The butterfly flaps its wings and Willie Doo falls off his chair. As far as I can tell, that's what happens in the movie, right?
Exactly. Uncanny.
The butterfly effect. Apple's own butterfly effect. Well, Apple backed off the butterfly keyboard for good reason. We're well aware. Those things were having problems. And so now they went back to the scissor mechanism and solved some problems there for people. But they actually made the unit fatter for the first time in forever to accommodate going back to the old technology. So they can't be happy about that, trying to make everything as thin as possible. They're already, they're beginning to research alternative ways of shrinking the thing down. And this retractable keyboard idea seems kind of like a cool one. This would be some kind of a mechanism that elevates the keys probably when you open the screen and then dips them down when you close it, maybe. Maybe they can go into the housing. I don't know. There is a graphic for the patent application. If you go down a little bit further.
This one right here?
That's definitely not it. There you go. That will be the one. And it showcases a keyboard that can recess into the housing of a laptop. It's funny in the patent application, that's a really fat laptop. Obviously, not a thing that Apple would like to release, but they're just illustrating how something like this could work. The movement could come via movable magnetic or mechanical linkage elements configured to reposition keycaps and stabilizers between different relative positions. So this could also give you possibly more tactile bounce, a little more travel to it, as you just said. Could be a better experience, too, on a thin laptop. But you should scroll back up to that image. Nope, that one there that you were making fun of. That was actually a pretty cool implementation on an IBM ThinkPad 701 from about 1 billion years ago. For those of you that are just listening, this is a keyboard that fanned out. When you open the thing, it fanned out and extended beyond the actual outer edge of the laptop to give you more keyboard space, but then a smaller form factor. Of course, that never took off, but still to this day, that is an icon in the space. It was a really cool design. So go check that out if you've never seen it before. It was called Butterfly 2 as well, but a different kind of butterfly. Because it butterflied out like butterfly wings. And the best part of the word butterfly?
What's that?
Butter.
Butter.
It's better than the word fly.
Oh, I was thinking the opposite.
You take fly over butter?
Mm-hmm.
Don't you think of the bug? Who likes a fly? Or do you think of flying like in an airplane?
Yeah.
Well, I can't get past the butter part, so... Because of the memes, because of the YTP. What was her name? The famous, always in the YTP videos. Paula Deen? Butter. Yeah. Butter. Am I crazy? No one knows what I'm talking. I'm deep in the meme weeds here. Anyway, I was trying to get you to go there with me, Will, but it went.
No.
It flew straight over your head.
Yeah.
Fly. Butterfly.
You going meta.
That was a real trip. I appreciate anyone who went on that trip right there. Anyone who made it through that trip. What do they say? I don't know. You get an internet pat on the back. I hate that. An internet pat on the back is what? Jumping through your screen. I hate the visual. I hate all of it. How about you're well done? How about that?
Yeah.
If you're on this trip, well done.